Alright, here's the next day. Here is... School is canceled, so I can't take you up there today. Here's the sidewalk up to the house. Yeah. That's, you can see the bench, kind of, what's left of the bench. Kind of see the front porch. I tried to open the front door, but it wasn't working. Drifts in front of the house. Here's this side over here. Yeah, they just got done plowing the road, so you should have seen it, but you couldn't even tell where the streets were or where anything else was. These drifts are ridiculous, though. You can see in front of the neighbor's house, like, they're gonna have fun shoveling that. Walk out to the driveway. Everybody's out snow blowing. I think everybody should have just left it because it looks so pretty. Now it's all clumpy and gonna be dirty from the plows coming through. It doesn't look really deep in too many spots. Or there's a few spots that it doesn't look that deep in, but it's deep. It goes almost to the front window. Yep. Look at the snow on the top of the house. That's really cool. But the only vehicles you see out are tractors and stuff trying to get the stuff off the ground. But I bet the roads aren't too bad already, which is kind of cool. When I got up at 6, it was really scary. But yep, there you go. There's the storm of this year. They cleaned it up too fast for it to even be scary. I guess driving in it last night could have been scary. Alrighty, going inside. You see Steve standing up inside, making sure he doesn't have to go to work again. I told him not to, but he just, Steve, he's got to double check and triple check everything. Talk to you later. Bye.